Today I'm comparing 3 beginner-friendly budget 3D printers so you don't have to sift through spec sheets. Price, build volume, speed, noise, ease of use. Then I'll pick the best value. Creality K1C, street price, about $499 to $550. Build volume, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. Speed rated up to 600 mm with 20,000 mm S2 acceleration. Real-world fast prints around 200-300 mm S look clean. It's an enclosed CoreXY. Fans spin, expect roughly mid-40s to low 50s dB nearby. This is the plug-and-play option. Automatic leveling, enclosed chamber, direct drive, hardened nozzle for abrasive filaments. Decent touchscreen. Setup is basically firmware update. Load filament. Hit print, Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Price, around $299 base, about $459 with the AMS Lite for multicolor. Build volume, 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters, compact desk footprint. Advertised up to over 500 mm mass. Practically 200-300 mm mass with good quality. Generally on the quieter side, think office fan levels, polished experience, guided first run, automatic calibration, slick app, cloud queuing, profiles that just work. If you want minimal tinkering, this is friendly. Anycubic Kobra 2 Pro. Price, about $249 to $299. Build volume, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. Claimed up to 500 mm miss. Realistically, 150-250 mm S with tuned profiles is where it shines. Open frame means you'll hear fans and motion. Expect mid-50s dB, auto bed leveling. Decent out-of-box experience. You'll do a bit more tuning than the other two. Community profiles, easy mods. Which one should you get? If you want speed plus enclosure and the least hassle for tougher materials like PETG or CF-filled filaments, the Creality K1C is the premium beginner pick. If you value polish, small footprint, and a super smooth app experience, and you're okay with a smaller build volume, the Bambu A1 Mini is a joy. But for pure quality to price, my winner is the Anycubic Kobra 2 Pro. You get a full-size build plate, genuinely quick prints for the money, solid quality once you load a good profile, at the lowest price here. So, K1C for enclosed, fast, versatile. A1 Mini for compact and polished. Kobra 2 Pro for the best bang for your buck. Drop your use case in the comments and I'll point you to the right profiles to get great prints on day one.